Hello and welcome to today's video. We are going to be making a spring. So I have here a little technical drawing of a spring. Now, we have 4 dimensions that we need to make a spring in CATIA. So you need to know this little diameter here, this little diameter of the wire, the pitch, which is how much it needs to make a full circle around. So it's 10 millimeters, makes one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, and another one. And we also need to know the height. So let's get right into CATIA. So let's go. Start mechanical design, part design. Let's call it spring. First things first, select the Y and Z plane and go into sketch. We need just one dot, that's all we need. One dot, and we want it to be from here to here. This is the dot we're drawing. So it's 40, so it's half of 40, which is 20, like the radius. We can now exit from this. Now this is the little bit of a complicating, this is the complicated part of it. You need to go into start, mechanical design, and go almost down to the bottom and find wireframe and surface design. Select it. We will get a whole load of commands here which are new, some that are not, and you can find here this wireframe toolbar. Here you can find spline and helix. Helix is the one we're using, so because it's gonna make the pattern that we need. So what does it want from us? It wants us to select a starting point, and now the axis. The axis in this definition, the way we've decided to do it, is this, the z-axis. There we go. It's starting to make a wire shape. So the pitch, as we've said, it is 10 millimeters. The height is 75. That's all we need. So the pitch is 10 and the height is 75. That's all we need. We can say, okay, get out of here. Go back to start, mechanical design and part design. Now, select the plane and make a new sketch. Very important to make a new sketch. Do not go back here and say, oh, I can just go in this sketch and draw something here, because if you draw anything here, it's gonna mess with the geometrical set which is connected with sketch. So do not do that. Get out, make a new sketch. So select the X and Y plane, make a sketch, make a circle here, and give it the diameter of 5. There we go. Now that we've done that, we basically have everything we need to make our little spring. So the command that you'll be using is rib. Basically, rib says, give me an object profile and give me a path it's going to follow so it can make itself into a 3D model. So the circle is the object we're using, and this is the path it's going to follow. As you can see, it looks like a wire. Preview it, and there we go. If you look at it from the side, this is the front side, it looks basically like the front view of our little photo. That is basically it. That's how you make a spring in CATIA. Thank you for watching this short video. If you liked it, please like the video. Consider subscribing as well if you enjoyed the little commentary. That is all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.